following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Lake Illinois County in northeastern Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms continuing to produce heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 4 inches of rain have fallen, with rain rates nearing 2 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Hazard: significant flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset, significant flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, low-lying areas, and poor drainage areas. Widespread street and underpass flooding. Possible flooding of structures. Possible flooding of highways. Some locations with the highest threat of significant flash flooding include Des Plaines, Glenview, Morton Grove, Skokie, Wilmette, Winnetka, Evanston. Turnaround: don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.